session is going to explore how intelligent systems are helping organizations adapt in real time, reduce manual workload, predict outcomes, as well as unlock faster decision making. So for that, please join me in welcoming Amjad Ali, founder and CEO of EventHex.ai. Amjad.
Hi, thank you. Thank you all. First of all, I would like to congratulate the Ministry of Digital, Malaysia, for organizing this wonderful initiative. And thanks for the opportunity too. My name is Amjad, and I am the CEO of EventHex.ai. We are basically a event technology company that uses technologies like AI to enhance the attendee engagement and solve the problem of accessibility. Okay, let's move into AI in motion. So usually when someone asks us, how's your day? How's your life going? Usually we will reply like, yeah, it's good. Yeah, okay. Even though it's not, or even though it's very complex, right? So complexities are like that. It's everywhere. It's in our life, your friend's life, in every process, every industries. So think of very high challenging or high complexity environments. For example, a very busy logistics center during a very peak Black Friday day or something offers time. So a lot of orders will come to a logistics area and all. So it's like a complex high tension or a high, most challenging environment, right? Or just assume a hospital on a hospital emergency ward during a Saturday night, or something like a global supply chain which was disrupted by an unprecedented events or something like that. Or even you can assume the events like this one, AI summit, where a lot of people come, a lot of parallel sessions happening and all. So basically this type of challenging or high pressure environment, there is a three common thread. Okay, first one is complexity, as I told you, right? The second one is urgency, and the third one is need for adaptation. You can see these three things in common in all high challenging environment and processes. Okay, so the main problem with this high challenging environment is we can't wait for a long time to get a decision, right? So you have to put a decision in a very short time. The other one is like you should have to be act in a very real time, maybe with a very incomplete information. We don't have very time. That's the urgency part. So that's why in these situations, especially in this high challenging situation, AI can become a good transformative partner for our dynamic decision making. Okay, so for decades, we know that for decades business operations are basically reactive, right? So if we get an alarm sound, we will react on that. Or if a report comes, we will react on, we will form a committee, or we will fix that problem. So usually the business process are like that. Everything is very reactive. But the problem of this approach is it will keep us a step behind, right? So maybe in the problem with the complex environment, waiting to react something is like going to a failure one, it's a very like going backward, especially in the complex environment. So as I told you, the urgency is the main part. So what AI can do in this situation is like AI can move us from being a reactive historians to something like a what we can say to a predictive architects. That's what the AI is going to give us. That's the AI advantage that we are going to get. So I will give you some examples. For example, logistics and supply chain. You know that one of the global leading logistic company, UPS. So they have a system called Orion, like on-road integrated optimization and navigation. So what basically it does is like it is plan the routes based on different types of data points like the climate or the driver availability, like the route fleet availability, everything. So based on these type of data points, they optimize the route, reroute the things, plan the things, and also basically in logistics and supply chain, AI can save a lot of billions of time, gallons of fuel, and a lot of other financial benefits we can attain through the AI. The other one is live events and venues. We are working on an event management, like event tech platform. So we know very better, because the problem with this, some major events like this one will be the crowd management is very, like, it's a very hectic process. Some in sometimes the crowd high in some events, and sometimes it will be low in some other sessions and all. So the smarter systems, the AI systems can analyze the crowd management to prevent the congestions before it happen itself. Because so we can analyze the patterns. So what's the peak hour attendance time? What's the peak hour registration time? So based on that predictive things, we can make the things possible, like to avoid this type of high pressure environments. So AI can betterly predict the things in the event sector also. The other one is like manufacture. There's three examples on it. Like we can even predictive for the maintenance of the components and machines. We can use the predictive things of predictive things in the AI, so that it's very easy to like when all we, instead of going like a disrupted operations, we can predict when this device will be offline, and what are the, based on the different data points. Okay, so one of the main thing is, apart from the prediction, is this type of system will definitely improve over the time. As I told you, like I'm working on an event tech platform. So if you are conducting like a 3 events, you will get the data of the 3 events when all the registration happenings in like for example in the daytime, during which hour the most registration will be happening. You will get that data. When it comes to 2 events, you will get a more better data. So when it's 3, it's more better. So basically this type of system will improve over the time. So it will especially in the high power or high pressure environments, the AI systems can remarkably improve the process by over time, and they can easily learn the outcomes and adjusting the model based on the data, and make it more accurate. Okay, the other one is definitely, as we all know, that AI can easily reduce the manual burden. So you know that AI can automate a lot of things, especially the routine decisions and tasks, which was previously consumed a lot of check in, consider the event itself. You can see that, for example, an event organizer, maybe he have to add a lot of session details, speaker bios, speaker things and all. These are very manual things and all. So what these event organizers have to do is, like, they have to spend a lot of time doing this manual work, and this type of very routine work and all. So what the AI can do is, like, it's easy to automate the things. If you have a LinkedIn profile, you can easily generate a speaker bio from that things. So likewise, a lot of manual burden can be reduced a lot of. You just check it out. For example, I'm giving like, a transport manager who assigns drivers for the buses and all. So previously, what we have to do is, like, we have to manually assign this driver. This driver is available. We can just assign this to this buses or something like that, which takes around 60-70% of time of that particular person. So what we can do is, like, completely automate the things to the AI, and what the main advantage is, like, we can easily redirect the human talents to more higher value activities, like maybe something like maybe exception control or something like that. Okay, so my suggestion, my point is basically AI can handles more predictable in tasks, and human can more focus on the exceptional things. So that the thing is like the results will be very high, like efficiency can be improved in a particular in the organization where the manual task is very high. The AI can easily improve the overall efficiency, and it will definitely increase the outcome of that particular organizations. Okay, so the other one is like real-time adaptation. As I told you, like in high pressure environment, real-time adaptation is very important. You can't wait, you can't get a lot of time to think, or you can't get a lot of time to adapt the things. So for that, sorry, for that, what AI can do is like AI can analyze the different data points that's happening, and AI can easily very quickly and give the real-time things and all, which is very which is not possible for a human to do the things and all. For example, we have developed a system which is basically transcribe the uh, real-time speeches, which is transcribed into different languages, which is translated into different languages and things and all. So basically, the thing is, you can do a lot of real-time activities in an organization using the AI. That's what's the basic features that AI can provide the things. The other one is without using AI, so automatically what will happen, like you will get, if your organization is not utilizing AI in your operations, and definitely a lot of disruption will happen. It is very difficult to recover from that disruptions, and automatically the organization will go under. Okay, so usually when AI was discussed here, I think I'm definitely sure that in every sessions and all, usually the discussion will goes to, will AI replace human? That's the basic question we always discuss in every AI summit or every AI powered sessions and all. So my take AI replacement, sorry, human replacement is like, actually the most successful AI implementations are not like, yeah, completely replacing the humans and implementing completely and implementing the AI systems into that place. It's not like that. It is, apart from that, instead of giving an autonomous operations, making it is an augmented intelligence. Okay, so especially in the high pressure environment, we can't automate everything because there will be like a lot of exception handling have to be done, a lot of areas and all. So what we have to suggest is like an augmented intelligence. What's augmented intelligence? Augmented intelligence is, it's a concept where AI systems will more focus on routine tasks, or it enhances the human capabilities, and humans will handle more into the judgmental things, creative things, empathy things and all. So it's like AI systems work collaboratively with the humans. That's the augmented intelligence. So in pressure environments, particularly the industries that are working in the high pressure or real time, those who require real time intelligence and all, the path forward is augmented intelligence. So in augmented intelligence, uh, definitely the AI can support the human capabilities. Like for example, it can reduce the cognitive load, and it can provide more support, decision support, and it can, if there is something anomalies happens, it can definitely alert to the humans, and based on that, the human can decide something things and all. So that way, the organizations that are working under this high pressure, high complexity environment can improve a lot. Okay, so definitely every implementation there will be a lot of challenges. The main problem, especially in the high complex operational environment, is basically right now the companies are thinking on AI adoption and AI implementation. The main thing is every organization is thinking how we can adopt AI in our organization. That's what everyone is thinking of, right? So the main problem is, yeah, everyone is adopting AI, so definitely we need one AI. Yeah, we need one AI implementation. This person is thinking right now. But instead of looking into that perspective, look into your problems. What type of AI you have to implement, or what is the problem right you are solving, and based on the problem, implement that AI implementation in your organization. The other one is definitely prioritize the user. The challenges are mainly usually the thing is the designs or the AI implementation that is happening right now is not at all a user-centric one, especially in the enterprise things and all. And the other one is, as I told you, like master the augmented intelligence, implement in a way that human have a value in that organization, right? And definitely the change management is a problem organization, especially the organization that has been previously implemented a lot of process, a lot of operational things and all. So I'm just concluding. Definitely you can see that the current situation of the AI and the future that's coming on the AI, it's very interesting. It's very what we can say, there is a lot of opportunities in AI. And also though, so the competitive advantage for your organization, for example, if you if your organization need to be more competitive in this space, what you have to do is like, as I told you, like not simply having, yeah, our organization is implementing AI. Instead of doing that one, better how AI can solve, like just look into your current problem, just look into your current process, just look into your current operations, and ask how the AI can improve my current operations, how AI can improve your current functionalities, and how can AI can improve the efficiency of my company. So based on that things, definitely you can integrate the AI. It will definitely thrive your organization, and based on that, it will definitely improve the overall intelligence of the organization, and let the AI handles the complexities, and as a human managers or something like that, they can easily handle the exception things and all. Okay, so this is my closing take. Okay, so uh, it's not like a technology take over, yeah, AI taking over the human. It's not like that. But inside or any other technology is going to empower the human to achieve the more outcomes or more value to the organization. Uh, so I strongly believe that we should have to create organization that responds to particularly that responds to these high complexities and high pressure environment very quickly and very efficiently, and with a very mindset of agility and confidence. That's what I would want to need to give you. Thank you everyone. You can connect me here. Okay, thank you.